Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Fernando in here with us this afternoon, and we want to thank Fernando for his service to our country from the Marine Corps. And you were in the Marine Corps for a couple years and then did the reserve for a couple years and were injured during that process in the lower back from lifting 5-gallon jugs of water. Yeah. And you've had problems ever since then, so the VA referred you to me for chiropractic care, and you drove 4 hours to get here from Kingsville, right?
Yes.
And he was hurting a little bit after the drive, so we're going to make this worth his while of getting his first adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, and then back to neutral. We take care of a lot of Marines. In fact, I got some Marine medals in here. Not that I earned them, but they did and gave them to me for helping them. Okay, so I've already done Fernando's orthopedic neurological evaluation. Was that more comprehensive than the other evaluations you've received today?
Yes, sir.
Let's go ahead and lay on your tummy for me, please. Now, I've already done his evaluation, so I'm going to adjust him on the BioPhysics table now, starting with his left SI joint. I'm just going to show you one test here. Lift your right leg straight up. Good. Now do the same thing on the left. Now see, you can't get his left one up near as high. He has a left sacral deviation here, which is affecting his left SI joint. He's been getting pain in both his SI joints. So I'm going to start off adjusting his left SI joint first. Probably help if I cock the piece here. Now the right one. And then he has left sacral deviation. So I'm right on the left side of his sacrum, which is the middle triangular shaped bone in the middle of the pelvis. And then the right side, and then straight down the center. And I'm adjusting that superior to inferior on the y-axis. Straight P to A on the z-axis on L5. There's L4. Now some of these will be a little sore at first, Fernando. You'll probably feel them as I'm adjusting them. I'm going to go up a little higher because I'm going to adjust you on the knee-chest table. He does have a lot of thoracolumbar stress right there from his lumbar spine being so flattened out most of his life. Okay, I'm going to put the curve back in his cervical spine. Straight P to A adjustment on his C4. C5, 6, and then all the way down to C7, T1. Let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. There we go. Good. Now slide down this way a little bit, please. And let's have you put your arms out to the sides. Okay, you can relax your hands on your tummy now. There we go. Oh yeah, I should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your lower back.
Yes.
Hoorah. There we go, good. Okay, same thing there?
Yes.
Good, let's set you up, face that way. Sideways, there you go. Do you feel that pop all the way up in your lower back?
Yes.
Good. There's your right shoulder. Left shoulder. There we go. I think out of all the veterans we see mostly Marines. There we go. Put you guys through the ringer when they train you, don't they?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's come over here on your knees next. Now this is the knee chest adjustment that you probably seen me doing the other Marine.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. Now he re-upped and went back over after we fixed him. Slide down this way a little bit. There you go. Now I want you to let your spine kind of sink down, just as if gravity's kind of sinking in there. Oh yeah! that was deep as could be. You felt that one in there,
yes.
didn't you?
Yes.
Super. Okay. So I'm going to have you lay on your back with your butt right here, head up this way now. I'm going to decompress your entire spine now.
Yes, that's what I need.
Yep. That's what most people need is decompression, because gravity is constantly pulling us down towards the earth and compressing us. And that compression over the years starts to cause degenerative disc disease, degenerative joint disease, osteoarthritis. Those are all synonymous terms. And you have a bulged disc down in your lower lumbar spine, pinching the nerve down there too. You brought your MRI, which I much appreciate. If you're coming here from out of the state or out of the city, bring diagnostics with you. That helps me to get a clear path on what I'm going to do for you. Okay. That's how I decided to adjust him on the knee chest table today. Just keep breathing. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Now I know you felt that all the way down.
Yes.
There we go. There we go. Super. You're still kicking. You're all right.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Oh yeah. Crackhead's gonna love you.
Thank you so much.
Oh yeah. So you've been watching this on YouTube for how long?
Oh, about a year now.
About a year now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's come over here. And I'm gonna have you face the mirror. And let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. And then neutral. Boy, look at the difference already. Okay, so just pull these shoulders up and back. See how you're standing up straighter already? Head straight back and wall here and now. You feel a little tap there. There. Okay, now relax. Now try that same thing again now, Fernando, and tell me if this feels any smoother to you this time.
Yes.
Very good. So look at this equal spacing you got down here now. That's better. Your head's up and over your posture more. You're standing up straighter, isn't he? Good. So, are you having as much pain as you had when you first walked in the door?
Oh yeah, I felt a lot of relief off those lower discs.
Yeah.
I feel
Good.
I can
Do you
feel
feel
it
better
all
than
the
when
way
you walked
back.
in the door?
Oh yes.
Okay,
Definitely.
super.
Definitely.
Super. So, this being your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief and being a veteran and being referred here by the VA, is this a worthwhile trip for you to drive 4 hours to come up here and get adjusted here?
Most definitely it was. Just the drive itself was agonizing,
And you've been to other chiropractors,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And they didn't do these kind of things on you?
no, it's just
They twist you on your side?
twist and just basically work on that area that needs to be worked on, and that was about
Well, I worked on all of it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's the
I
whole
felt
body.
it, yes, all from head to toe.
Yeah, literally. Yeah.
Literally.
All right. Is there anything you'd like to tell our YouTube fans out there, Fernando, about your experience?
Just thank you, Dr. Johnson, for allowing me to
Well, welcome.
come out here and
It's my honor to take care of you veterans.
yes,
We love doing that here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, and we want to make sure we can continue to do that. So watch this very important video that we're going to be doing later this afternoon, this evening, about all Texas chiropractors and our ability to actually do what we just did for Fernando. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.